Stars overhead turn my head and I caught you by eye for the first time. My life to serve. Look no further. I finally found something to hold on to. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do. And over and over anew, seen and known. It started with you. Wasn't over my head, would have run, but instead you were watching, you were listening. Was it my turn? Couldn't earn what you found in me, someone to hold on to. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do. And over and over anew, seen and known. It started with you. Couldn't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do. And over and over anew, seen and known. It started with you. I still don't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do. And over and over anew, seen and known. It started with you.
So, I should probably tell you by now, I have no idea what I'm doing here. This is just me having a go at making a desk after my abilities. And I drew this desk up in Fusion 360, and I think I might be making a lot of mistakes. And one thing I realized was that it was really hard drilling the holes for the dowels really straight. But I managed to make this, the first side of the legs, complete, and the dowels fits really good, but I had to do a lot of measuring to make that happen. So before I went on and made the other leg pair, I 3D printed this, which is basically a self-centering dowel jig, and you can buy these if you don't have a 3D printer. But I found this on Thingiverse and I remixed it a bit to fit my 8mm drill bit, and I inserted an 8mm on the inside copper rod in here. So it's going to help me align the drilling, and it's basically just attaching to a piece of wood like this, and then you align it and you clamp it down and you can drill, and you will drill directly into the center. There's also a link down below to the original file on Thingiverse, and also my remixed version of this. So if you want to print it, you can download it there. Now let's get back to work.
sign on the dotted line, and the hands of authority know all that's left now is time.
Wow, I am so pleased with how this turned out. I'm really proud as well, because I've been so scared to start this project, and the wood has actually been lying around in the house for a couple of months, and I drew this in Fusion 360 a couple of months ago as well. So I've been really scared to start this project, but once I got it going, I'm so thrilled to have this workspace for just me now, and I'm super proud, really. I made a ton of mistakes while making it. For one, when I was gluing up the tabletop, I used biscuits, and then when I was cutting the tabletop to size, I didn't think about the biscuits at all, and unfortunately the biscuits are showing on both sides. But I think I managed to fix it up quite good with some wood glue, and yeah, it'll be a reminder not to make that mistake anymore. I will probably redesign the desk somewhat in the future, but for now this will make a great workspace for me. And I really like the smaller parts I added below to make the tabletop look like it's floating, which was a tip I got from a friend of mine who actually helped me during the design process. And the grain of the birch is absolutely beautiful, and I finished it off with a hard wax oil with some white pigment in it. And like always, the 3D printed dowel jig and the finish I used are linked down below. That's it for this week. I really hope you like this project. If you want to see more of this, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. It really helps, and I will see you guys next week for another video. I think I need a shelf.